Welcome to the first part of our Getting Started series for the Heliotis Gen4 SDK. In this video, we will download and install C4 Utility, the software package required to access Heliotis Gen4 devices from a Windows or Linux PC. We will also take a first look at the Heliotis update tool and verify that our device is correctly detected and ready to use. Let's get started. Open the Heliotis website and go to Support. Software downloads. Under the Gen4 software section, find the latest version of C4 Utility. Notice that you need to sign in before you can download the file. If you have not registered for software downloads yet, please go to the registration page first. Now sign in and download C4 Utility. Once the download is complete, start the installer. After accepting the license agreement, you can select the components you want to install. The Heliotis GenTL producer, called Diaphus, provides the standard interface for communication with Heliotis Gen4 devices and must be installed. The update tool is also required. It is used to discover connected Heliotis devices, configure their IP addresses, and install firmware updates, which we will cover in Part 4 of this series. Depending on your application, you can install additional components and programming examples. Examples are available for several commonly used machine vision and programming environments, including Halcyon, Python, NeuroCheck, CVB, Zebra Aurora Imaging Library, and Zebra Aurora Vision Studio. For applications that do not use a GenCam or GenTL interface, C4 Utility also provides the C4 Handler library. It allows Heliotis Gen4 devices to be integrated directly into applications using interfaces for environments such as C, C#, LabVIEW, and MATLAB. Cognex users may also install the Cognex AIK and examples, which provide direct access from Vision Pro. For this tutorial, we will keep the required components and continue with the installation. Once the installation is complete, open the Heliotis Update tool and select Update Device List. The Update tool now searches for Heliotis devices connected to the network. Here, we can see our connected device and its current status. A green check mark indicates that the device has a compatible firmware version installed and is ready for use. If necessary, the device network settings can be adjusted by selecting Change IP. If the status indicator is red, the device firmware may need to be updated. We will show you how to do this in Part 4 of this series, Updating Device Firmware. In all cases, additional information about the current device status is available by hovering the mouse over the status icon. Our Heliotis Gen4 device is now ready to be accessed from supported programming and machine vision environments. In Part 2, we will show you where to find the programming examples and detailed documentation included with the Gen4 SDK. In Part 3, we will then use one of these examples to acquire our first 3D data with Halcyon. Finally, in Part 4, we will show how to update the firmware of your Heliotis device. For additional tutorials, documentation, and software downloads, visit the Heliotis website. Thanks for watching.